Artificial intelligence. When I say artificial intelligence, what comes to mind? Evil robotic armies marching over our land, killing us, pushing us into extinction, or waking up in the morning to a cybernetic companion greeting us with fresh coffee and breakfast? Or is it the famous Matrix trilogy and animated shorts? It may very well be the Terminator or the Jetsons reality. And I'm here to help you make a more educated, biased opinion, because a biased opinion towards sentient machines taking over our world is only natural. First, we have to consider the impact of these machines in our lives, past, present, and future. Since computers and other automated systems unfurled, we have always considered the possibility that these personalized machines could quite possibly kill us and take over our world. Or is this the world that is already theirs, and we're just in the womb in which machines as a race are born? It's only healthy that you make a decision about this on your own, and in your own point of view and experiences. There is nothing to be ashamed of when embracing technology and making use of it in our daily lives. It could, however, be probable that all the electricity and gadgets could just stop working after an atomic war, shutting off all connections with the internet and wiping our resources that we used for electricity away, leaving us in the dark ages. So, an over-dependency on technology could make it harder for an individual to survive in these conditions. If that sort of future may take place, however, there is also a reasonable chance that we will give birth to a race of sentient machines in a positive, loving world with automated cars and robotic housekeeping, robotic cats, dogs, and don't get me wrong, I love real cats, and floating cities. There are many possibilities when it comes to artificial intelligence, and it will always depend on the responsibility of the father and mother of these machines to decide whether or not we create a world that teaches machines the importance of love and guardianship, or a violent world of hatred and war. A future with artificially intelligent sentient machines is only decades away. And it is up to you and everyone else to create a utopian new age of humans and robots living in harmony together. This is Complex. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification ringer. Until next time, have a wonderful day.